Earn $900 per month doing copy-paste work on YouTube. Yes, in this video I will tell you how to copy cartoon videos from YouTube and upload it on YouTube. And you won't get any copyright, I promise. If you watch this video all the way to the end, you can monetize your channel doing copy-paste work. So, let's get started. First, open YouTube and search for English cartoons and then click on Filters and choose Creative Commons and apply. Then copy the link of the video. Then download it from any YouTube MP4 downloader. After downloading it, open CapCut, import your video, and click on Edit and choose Resize and click on Mirror. After this, trim the video from start and also from the finish. Then click on Adjust and do the adjustment as I do. After this, click on Speed and increase it a little bit. Then click on Audio Effect and choose Voice Character and choose the one you like and you are done. Download the video and publish it and stay consistent and you without a doubt earn more than $900 a month. That's all I have for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and watch this video.